In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create your Bybit account from start to finish. Make sure to follow along so you don't miss any important steps. I'll also show you how to earn up to $30,000 in bonuses just for signing up and trading, so make sure you stick around to the end. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to Bybit.com. But as you can see, if you go right over to Bybit.com, it'll only offer you a $5,050 USDT welcome reward. But by using my affiliate link down below in the description, you can get up to $30,000 in welcome rewards. So once you're on this page, you can sign up with either an email or with your mobile number. I'm going to sign up with my email just to keep it easy. Enter in a password. Make sure my referral code right here shows up, keys30. Check this box off and click on get my welcome gifts. It's going to ask you to verify your email, so go on over to the email you signed up with and copy the verification code and paste it in right there. And right away, you'll have this pop up to claim $50 welcome rewards. We're going to skip that for now, and we're going to exit this. And that'll bring you to this page, which is your account overview. You can get there by going to your profile icon up top, clicking on overview, and it'll bring you to the same page. Once you've registered, the next most important step is to verify your account. This is called the KYC verification, which stands for Know Your Customer. By completing a verification, it unlocks all of the platform's features and bonuses. And you have about 14 days after registration to complete your deposit bonuses in order to claim for a lot of those bonuses. So go right over here and click on Get Verified Now. First thing you need to do is choose your country of residence. After you've done that, just check on this box, confirm that the selection is true and correct, and hit confirm. Next thing you're going to need to do is verify your proof of identity. So go ahead and click on this button, and you're going to have two options. You can do an ID verification, or you can verify with a bank account via SEPA transfer. I'm going to do an ID verification. So again, it's going to ask you to select your country of residence, and the documents you can use are either a passport, an ID card, or a residence permit. I'm going to select an ID card and hit continue. This is just going to give you an example of what they're looking for when you scan your ID. They want clear example, no glare, blur, or overcropped. Hit continue. You're going to have to check off this box next to the privacy notice and hit next. It's going to ask you to take a photo of the front of your doc. I'll select bank verification. Hit accept. Now it's going to ask you to do the back side of your ID. And hit accept again. Now it's going to ask you to face your camera, where it's going to do a liveness test. You're going to look straight ahead, and it's also going to tell you to turn your face. So just go ahead and follow the instructions. It's super simple. After you've done that, it's going to ask you to check the information below to make sure everything is correct. Once you've confirmed everything looks good, hit next. Next, they're going to take your information. It usually takes about a few hours to get approved. After we get approved, we'll go back into the account and I'll show you how to claim those bonuses. So in order to claim some of those rewards, we're going to go back to our dashboard, and right over here in the top, we're going to click on Rewards Hub. If you scroll down, you can see right here the new user welcome bonuses. You can get $30 in welcome gifts. Right here, you can get €5 or $5 wherever you are just to complete your identity verification. You can get another 5 USDC to top up $10 or more. Another 10 USDC to top up $100 or more and trade $10 or more, which basically means you put in $100, you buy some Bitcoin, and you would unlock that 10 USDC, and another 10 USDC to trade $100 and stake $100. And to stake $100, you just come right over here, click on stake now, and you just stake any of these cryptocurrencies, and you would earn this much APR on your crypto. And right below that, if you qualify for the 30,000 USD welcome rewards, you just come right over here and click on the blast off bonus. And right here, it would walk you through all of the steps in order to earn all your rewards. So right here under rewards is where you're going to find all of the welcome bonuses that you qualify for. So just come to this page and follow the steps in order to claim your rewards. And that's how to create your Bybit account. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.